Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen. Taylor cooks yet again. Favourite pie, pork pie. Everyone loves a pork pie. They also like a cottage pie, full of cottages. And the reason I like the pork pie is because of the crust. And the reason they like the cottage pie is because it's full of goodness and yumminess, and it's mashed potatoes. It's fabulous, isn't it? So what happens if you combine the two and you have a cottage pie inside a pork pie? Ooh, stick around. Cue the music. So what I thought we'd do is we combine the pork pie case with the inside of a cottage pie, which is your mincemeat and your potato, but a hot water crust all the way around it. So that's what I thought we'd do. I thought we would make some little pies, this sort of size, and we'll see how it turns out. So flour, 500 mils of flour, and for your hot pastry, you have to have hot water and you have to have lard, and it should be melted by now. It's not far off, to be very honest with you. And I'll just pulse this in and make us our pastry. Okay, let's take that out. Here are some baked potatoes from the weekend which weren't used. If I take the inside of those out, because they taste really nice, don't they? So first of all, let's put some butter on our pie dishes, because even though they're on stick, you can guarantee they're going to stick. There it is. Blade. Be straight. So let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. So I've not got a ring big enough for this, so if I pop that on there and do about that much either side of it, don't think we'll be far wrong. Oh, it's going to be nice. That is going to be good. Down, make it nice and firm. Right. With our mince. What's left of our baked potatoes from the weekend. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and a bit of pepper as well. So if we put the potato over the top, so we have layered the potatoes all the way through. Brilliant. So I like the crust of a pork pie, so rather than trimming this one, I'm going to just going to fold it back on itself and roll it in. It should be pretty damn good. And we'll do the same on that one. Three pies. Right, let's stick them in the oven and see what they turn out like.